Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP/USD, pound, dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, Gold USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of GBP/USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that forex market is crazy since yesterday after the peace talk between Russia and Ukraine. As we all know, when the war broke out between Russia and Ukraine, there has been a crazy volatility. We saw heavy buying on dollar, gold, and we saw heavy selling on the chart of GBP USD, Euro USD. But after the peace talk between Russia and Ukraine on Istanbul, okay, things are at last heading towards a positive direction. Hopefully we are heading towards a peace very soon. So as a result, we saw this candle on the chart of GBP USD, and we saw this candle on the chart of Euro USD. But you can see that in comparison to Euro USD, things are still not very much positive for the chart of GBP USD. You can still see that GBP USD is trading in a downward channel here. So before we proceed with the GBP USD chart, let's talk about the chart of DXY, dollar. So dollar is right now trading at 98.11. Okay, this is the current market price of dollar here, and as we all know that dollar is in strong uptrend for the last couple of days and weeks. But if you look at the present structure of dollar here, then the market looks sideways. Okay, and since yesterday, dollar is under pressure. We have a support zone. Okay, we have a support zone around 98 level, and then we have 97.75, 97.40, blah. We have multiple layers of support on the chart of dollar. But as you all know, the fundamental factors always dominate the technical factors. So though market is standing at the support zone of 98 level, do not forget that there is a possibility of dollar DXY breaking the support and going down as well. Undoubtedly this is a support, okay, but yes, market may break the support as well. So if DXY breaks the support and starts going down, then the next important support for DXY will be 97.75, or you can say 97.70. This will be the next important support for DXY, and there's a possibility that this support level, this support zone, will be able to provide the required support, and DXY may bounce from here. Because around 97.75, we not only have the static support here, but we also have the 200 period moving average. So if we combine both the factors here, there is a possibility that dollar will try to take support at 97.75 level if it breaks the 98 level. Okay, so just in simple words, as long as dollar USD DXY is trading above 97 level, can consider dollar to remain bullish. Okay, if it breaks 97 level, then there will be a trend reversal. Okay, so keep in touch with the DXY, keep one eye on DXY. And now let's talk about the GBP USD chart. So as I already have said that the GBP USD is a downward channel right now trading at 1.3103. This is the current market price of GBP USD, and I have already told in my previous videos that the most important level or the most important support on the chart of GBP USD is 1.3000. If GBP USD comes to this level, we can expect a good reversal. But still, okay, still make sure that you get the proper confirmation. After all, market has been crazy for the last couple of weeks, so without confirmation, do not make a trade. And my dear friends, do not forget that this is a market does not belong to anyone, so it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. So use proper stop loss, use proper risk management, and do not be a gambler, be a trader. Never forget that. Okay, so in the chart of GBP USD, 1.3000 is still the strongest support in the market. We can expect a good reversal. If market bounces from this particular level, we can definitely go for buy if market bounces. Okay, but right now you can see that market is trading in a downward channel here. Okay, as a result, there's a possibility that if market goes up also, market will face dynamic resistance, and market may face selling pressure around this level. Okay, so see, this is a dynamic resistance, therefore I cannot give you the exact value. Okay, in case of static support resistance we can get the exact value, but in case of dynamic support resistance we do not get the exact value. But you can see the value would be around 1.3125, 1.3130. यहाँ से एक रिवर्सल आ सकता है because of the downward channel. But is this a good level to trade? Is this a good level for beginners? No. If you have the considerable experience in the market, you can go for a sell position. But if you're a new trader, you are a beginner, then I'll say that it is better for you to trade on the strong levels only. So in that case, you can avoid taking a sell position at the reversal here, because this selling position is not a very strong one. Okay, what you can do is that you can wait for the right time. See, you do not need to trade every time. Okay, one good trade is enough to make your day, make your week, isn't it? You can expect good selling pressure around this level, 1.3250, 1.3250, 1.3240. Around this level you can expect good selling pressure. Then you can also expect selling pressure on 1.3300. This is also a very good selling zone. So these are the levels where you can go for selling position if market reverses. These are the strong levels, not this level. Okay, so if you're a beginner, new trader, I'll say that go for a sell position around this level, and go for a buy around this level. These are the strongest level on the chart of GBP USD. But if you have considerable experience, and if you see market reversing from here, then also you can consider a selling position. Okay, for additional confirmation, what you can do is that for additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY. If you see DXY is also bouncing from the support, at the same time you can consider a selling position on GBP USD. Okay, and for day trading, okay, for day trading purpose, you can also switch to the 15 minutes time frame here. And in the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that we have another support zone around 1.3050. If market comes down to this level and market bounces from here, we can also look for a buy position, 1.3060 to 1.3050. okay, this is also a support zone from the market, but keep in mind this is a support zone for a 15 minutes chart, so this is not a very strong level or not a reliable level. So these are the levels. And my dear friends, this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I have launched recently. If you really want to learn, if you really want to take up trading as a serious profession or career, then feel free to join, because I started this because the trading classes, trading workshops that are available online or offline are not very much affordable for everyone. Even I could not afford when I started trading in the year 2013-14. So this is something from my side. Hopefully you like it. And if you are only interested in signals, then I have also something for you. Only $2 per month signal service. I do not think that you will get a better deal than this. So bye bye. Take care. See ya.